Hi, I'm Emma Cook, founder and director of the Australian Natural Soap Company. We get a lot of people asking how to use our shampoo and conditioner bars, so I thought I'd share with you some tips and tricks. Today there's a lot of shampoo and conditioner bars out there, which is great because it just means there's a lot less plastic bottles going to landfill. Our shampoo and conditioner bars are a little different to many on the market because we make them the same way we do our soaps. What this means is our shampoo and conditioner bars use a lot of plant oils, which means a little goes a long way. For all our shampoo bars, we recommend applying a little to your scalp, lathering to the ends, then you rinse and repeat. It's particularly important to use just a small amount because when you think about it, bottled shampoo is mostly water. So what our shampoo bars actually are a very concentrated version of bottled shampoo. Most people will find that the rich plant oils contained in our shampoo bars will be enough to condition their hair, so they won't need to use a conditioner. For those who do want a conditioner, we have our conditioning bars, which are made the same way we make our soaps, so they will produce a rich lather. The cocoa butter and the shea butter contained in these bars means that lather will be rich and conditioning. We therefore recommend just using our conditioner bar on your ends. For those of you who are using our shampoo and conditioner bars for the first time, you may find your hair heavy and rich in oils to begin with. There is a detox phase with our products. For years your hair has been stripped of its natural oils through the use of a heavy detergent. So your hair just needs a little time to get used to the natural plant oils of our shampoo. But once you've made that transition, your hair will be soft, shiny and silky. And you'll also find you won't have to wash your hair as often. Shop our range of solid shampoo and conditioner bars at our website today.